If you are doing a continuous sequence of animation where you are having multiple shots like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so every shot has to be connected to each other in the terms of hookup. And what I'm talking about is point of interest. Now what exactly is point of interest? Can you see here what happened? Now someone just took off this ship, right? From here, this was the location, right? And this character gets stopped at that particular location itself. Okay, this is point of interest. Point of interest means wherever your last shot ends, the next shot starts from that particular point itself, so that the audience are connected on that particular point. If I'm looking at the center of the screen, the next shot starts up, so my point of interest will be at the center only, and the next shot will start, or the main character or whatever that is happening in the next shot, that will start from the center itself. Just notice this, what I'm sharing here. Again here, this character is here, see, center. Again we are looking at the center. Again if you will see from the center only this character took. Again our interest is in the center. Again this character in the center. See, he also fell on the ground in the center. So our interest is here. So everything will happen in all the shots here itself. You will not see something distracting happening on the side, or again there will be movements, but your focus will always be on the center or wherever the object is.